Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna show you the iPad mini 5. It's the gold color and as you can see it's the 64GB option with the Wi-Fi edition. And let's get on with it. And here it is. Let's leave it aside. As always, we have the little box with the specifications, so we're just gonna skip this part and that's it. We can find here the USB power adapter, and also the lightning to USB cable. Which is 1 meter long. Here you can see both connectors. And now let's get to the magical moment. Now you can see the screen, which is 7.9 inches True Tone, the Apple logo, and the Touch ID. On this side you can find the volume up and down buttons, the on and off button with the dual microphones and the headphone jack connector. Here nothing at all. And here the stereo speakers and the lightning connector. It works with the A12 Bionic chip with 64-bit architecture. And now let's turn it on. And set it up. And here we have the iPad mini 5 ready to work with. Thanks for watching, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next video.